Welcome to Absolute ERP. In the last video, we covered how to transfer a meeting to a particular executive. Today, we will cover how to see all leads at one place. In My Calling Data, you will see all your leads at one place. Like follow-up, meeting, not interested, leads. This is My Calling Data page. From here, you will see all your leads. By using Given filter above, you can classify your leads. By using this option, you are able to export your all data into Excel format. From this tab, you will redirect to Add New Call page, and you can generate your lead manually. From here, you can edit, delete, and redirect this lead over WhatsApp for further interaction with client. Once you talk with this lead, after, click on Follow Up tab, and further update. In comment, you will mention what you have talked with this lead. After, set priority according to your conversation. According to this, you'll get impact on reports part as a priority-wise report. Then mention call status. From this, you'll get impact on reports as call status-wise report. Thereafter, set call level. From here, you can directly move to levels like follow-up, demo, meeting, not interested, quotation, sales order, invoices. And you get impact on reports, such as level-wise report. In my case, I set follow-up. After, I will mention next, follow-up date, and time. 15 minutes before, according to your set credentials, software will notify you as a pop-up notification, and over this bell icon option also. Finally, click on Submit, and your lead has been updated. Once your lead updated, after, you can track all your communication history of this lead over this tab. As you see, all your previous history is appearing. Today, we covered how to see all your leads at one place through My Calling Data. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, you stay tuned with our other videos.